In this video, I'm going to show you how to uncap FPS in Roblox. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to close down the Roblox player just like this, and then you want to go to the bottom where you can see your search bar, and you want to type in run. Now, when you type that in, you want to open up this program called run, and you want to click on it, and what you want to type in here is the following: %appdata%. Okay, so just type that in and click on OK. This is going to open up the file explorer on your computer, and what you want to do here is click on app data up top, and then you want to double click on the local folder. Okay, so just go in the local folder, and in here, when you come in the folder, you want to press R on your keyboard. So you're going to find, of course, the folders beginning with R, or you could just scroll down to actually find it. And in here, one of the folders is going to be named Roblox. So you want to double click on Roblox, scroll down, and here you'll see global basic settings. Okay, so you want to click on that and then right click it and click on edit in notepad. This is going to open this inside notepad, and don't worry, it's a bunch of code over here. What you want to do is look at this first block of code over here, so this part over here, and what you want to look for is this over here. So it says frame rate cap. If you can't find it, you could press Ctrl+F on your keyboard and just type in frame rate, and it's going to basically find it. Whenever you click on this button over here, you'll be able to find it up here. It's going to find the frame rate cap. Okay, so for me it is over here. As you can see, it says frame rate cap, and currently it's -1. So what you should do over here is simply change this from -1 to 9,999, or of course a custom number. So this could be like any number between 0 and 9,999. It's completely up to you. You can just type that in, for example, and it's gonna get uncapped. Now when you've done that, don't forget to save it. So go to the file top left and click on save, and you can also double check. So when you close this, you can again right click and click on edit in notepad, and you can just see over here if it's saved. There we go. In my case, it did save. And now what you can do is just close all the folders, and you can reopen your Roblox player, and from here you can now start playing, and your FPS should be uncapped. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.